Welcome to our channel where we review and compare products to help you make an informed decision. In this video, we will be comparing Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer and Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Both air fryers have great versatility with multiple functions. Ninja AF161 has 7 functions, including Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. On the other hand, Instant Vortex Plus has 6 functions, including Air Fry, Roast, Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. Both products offer a wide range of cooking options, but if you want dehydrating capabilities, go with Ninja AF161. Ninja AF161 has superior capacity with its 5.5 QT ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate, which can hold 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The Instant Vortex Plus has a 4-quart capacity, which can hold up to 4 to 6 servings of food. If you want a larger capacity, go with Ninja AF161. Ninja AF161 is priced at $149, whereas Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $139. If price is an important factor for you, go with Instant Vortex Plus, but if you are willing to invest a little more for larger capacity and dehydrating capabilities, go with Ninja AF161. Both air fryers have easy cleaning options. Ninja AF161 has a ceramic-coated non-stick basket, which is dishwasher safe. Similarly, Instant Vortex Plus also has a non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Both products score high in this category. Both products feature advanced technology to cook foods to perfection. Ninja AF161 uses Max Crisp technology, delivering 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster for hot and crispy results with little to no oil. On the other hand, Instant Vortex Plus uses Even Crisp technology, which also results in perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Both products stand out in this category. Instant Vortex Plus has a few extra features that make it stand out. It provides a clear cook window and internal light to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. The progress bar also lets you keep track of cooking times. Additionally, it comes with one-touch smart programs for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. If extra features are important to you, Instant Vortex Plus is the way to go. Thank you for watching our comparison video of Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer and Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We hope you found this video helpful in making an informed decision on which air fryer to purchase. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.